Hello my Faye, welcome or welcome back to MaiMoments, and here we go. We are going to review JOMARTO. This is the ultrasonic scrubber. So I bought it from Amazon, and you can see this here. Just to let you know, this is not sponsored at all. I just really want to see whether I want to keep this in my collections or not. And whenever I try some products, I definitely want to let you guys know what I recommend it for my friends and families. And go ahead and check out with me, or you just come here and see how to use this products, right? And we are going to open this. So there's 4 different buttons that you can actually choose from, and then this is going to be a cleaning mode, export, introductions, and massage mode. I don't even know what mean iron plus and iron negative, but we're gonna try to figure that out together. Oh, it's very nice packaging. It looks very sleek and expensive look, you know. It's not going to be like those cheap. It felt really nice to the touch. Ooh, that is sleek. It looked really nice and sleek, but it seems that the word right here is kind of like fading off, although this is my first time trying to use it. Oh, they have really nice package for it whenever you go to traveling, or you can just put it in here. That is super cute. It felt really nice and sturdy. Let's see how to use this. This is the USB charging line, and we are going to have to charge it in order to use it. So I'm going to do that right now. So to use this product, make sure that you are going to charge it for 2 hours in order for it to fully charge. And in order to know it's fully charged, all this light right here will lit up. In order to press the on button, hold this for 2 seconds once it's on. Also do the same thing, press 2 seconds for turning off. And I think that I have to wait in order for this to actually work. So I'm really curious if I'm just going to hold it, will it work? Okay, yeah, so yes, you need to charge it in order to use it.
2 hours later.
So I really want to see if this product really say what it does. Cleaning. It should take off my makeup, so I'm really interested to see if it does. And here we go. I'm just going to add a thin layer of makeup, not too much, but I definitely want to apply. I don't have anything on right now, so I want to apply right here. So I really want to add some blushes. Do you see that? Oh yeah, I want extra. Cleaning our face, we definitely need some soap. And here we go. We are testing out this experiment to see if it worked. So this is from Tolly Moly. We're creating some foam and bubble. This is so fun to wash your face. And do you see a water line right here? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add water. Acne.org. This is cleanser that I did talk about whenever I share my secret of how I have a clean skin without no acne. Is this right here, so go check it out if that is what you are struggling. What I love about this cleansers is that it's really clean my skin, although I have makeup, but it's really take it away. That's why I enjoy it so much. The first part that we're gonna try is skin cleaning. Wash your face with clean waters and apply facial cleansers. Press 1 gear to shift vibration mode. Hold the machines and hold the hover slowly along the position to be clean. And then put the plucking positions downward against the directions of pore. So for the first step, I actually really like it because now I can feel my skin is really nice and really clean, because sometimes I just have like waterproof or resistant foundations and it's so hard for me to take it off. With that, I feel that it's secure. It really dig into my pores. I really want to try a different function that they offer. This is the deep export method. Clean the face with a clean water. We got that part. Steam face with a hot spray facial vaporizers for 5 minutes, which I don't have. So instead, I'm just going to apply a warm towel to the face for 5 minutes. Apply Blackhead Remover lotions for 10 minutes, which I don't have. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this instead. This is the Topical Pore Blackhead Scrub Stick. I know that this is pretty dry, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add water, so it's going to be easier to glide along my face. This is kind of like taking off any dead skin. that I have. I feel like this is like either a grain of salt or sugars. So press the fourth gear to shift into a positive ion export mode. Hold the machines and move the shuffle slowly along the positions to be clean, which means that the plucking position should be downward against the directions of Pore. Using the products for 10 minutes and then clean it with a clean water. For the side of your face, go ahead and use the tool to glide from your ears downward to your chin. This is the best method to take all the excess off. Guys, I have to admit that my skin feels really refreshing, very nice right now. And then I felt that it really did dig deep on my pores, which I totally need because I do have combination skin. So I do have oily or my pores will be clogged up. And so using this really dig it out, which I really enjoy. So they offer another technique to actually take care of your face. This is the Nutrients Import. Clean your face with clean water, steam the face with a hot spray facial vaporizer for 5 minutes, or you can totally use a warm towel to your face for 5 minutes. Apply Nutrition's Essence. I'm just going to put this on a cotton and then I'm just going to apply all over my face. This is going to rebalance my pH level and also giving nutrients into my skin and help it to be hydrated. Press the third gear to shift into a fast negative ion import mode from bottom to top as shown in figure 3. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Move slowly along the porous directions for 5 minutes. So the last options is soothing massage. So what I'm going to do is press into the EMF. Press the second gear to shift into a slow patting motions. This is EMS and from the bottom to the top shown as figure 4. Move slowly along the pore directions for 5 minutes. Clean the face with clean water and steam the face with a cold spray facial vaporator for 10 minutes to strengthen the pore, which I don't have. So instead of that, I'm just going to put a pack of ice. Okay, so whenever you're using this EMS vibrations mode, which is massage, it's really interesting how it's get a little bit warm on the tip, not hot, not burning sensations, but it just whenever you press it against it, it sounds like a alien invasion. It sounds a little bit scary, but actually you can feel the vibrations whenever you settle in that particular area. It felt really interesting and weird at the same time, but don't be scared of the sounds because it's not gonna hurt you or anything. If it hurts, then you should not use it at all. But overall, I am extremely surprised of this products right here. I thought this is going to be a little bit toys and it's not going to work, but man, all the functions that I tried out, I am surprisingly pleased with the turnout. I am super shocked with this product. It's actually do what it say and it's giving me a great result. First, whenever I started this product, my face does look dull, but now it looks super healthy because I took off a dual layer of my skin, which is using exfoliating method, and it also can be a microdermabrasions. Instead of getting your facials outside for $100 and $200, which I did before, it's not going to be a budget friendly. It's not also going to relevance for a daily routines. And this can be a great alternative when you don't have that kind of money to spend. I hope you enjoyed this video and I just want to let you know that this video is not sponsored at all. I just want to recommend you a great product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment below of what you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more notifications. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out.